Hello and welcome. I'm your astrologer N Baksh and you're watching Sitaro Ka Safar. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming lunar eclipse happening on March 14th, 2025. Will this lunar eclipse open new doors for you or bring unexpected challenges? In this video, we'll take a closer look at how this powerful event might influence your financial and emotional well-being. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. For Aquarius moon sign, the lunar eclipse occurs in the 7th house, which governs marriage and romantic relationships, business partnerships and professional collaborations, along with that, public image, contracts, and legal matters. Let's see the effects of the lunar eclipse on your 7th house. There will be relationship struggles such as misunderstandings, emotional distance, or conflicts. Avoid any major business deals or contracts during the eclipse. Legal disputes or unresolved issues in partnerships may surface. Public reputation might be at risk, so avoid unnecessary arguments. If a toxic relationship exists, this eclipse may help you recognize the need to move on. This is a time for deeper self-reflection, so evaluate partnerships and commitments. Avoid making rash decisions. Post-eclipse clarity will be helpful for you. Since the moon moves to the 8th house after the eclipse, focus shifts towards transformation, deep emotional healing, and personal growth. Along with that, financial matters related to shared wealth, inheritance, or debts. Also, interest in spiritual or occult knowledge may increase. Post-eclipse, Aquarians should focus on mental and emotional well-being to navigate personal and financial transitions smoothly. Since Aquarius is still under Saraswati, professional and financial matters need careful handling. There will be some challenges in relation to career and reputation. Workplace conflicts or misunderstandings with colleagues is possible. Avoid taking impulsive career decisions during the eclipse. Authority figures may seem unsupportive. Patience will be key for you. On the other hand, there will be some opportunities as well. Post-eclipse, focus will shift towards long-term career stability. If feeling stuck, this period may push you towards necessary changes. In relation to financial planning, there will be risks such as unexpected expenses related to health, family, or legal matters. Avoid making any large financial investments during the eclipse. There will be some opportunities as well, as this will be a good time for re-evaluating financial strategies. Post-eclipse, financial clarity and better decision-making will emerge. If we talk about relationships and personal life, marital and romantic relationships may feel tense during this period. Business partnerships may face power struggles or miscommunication. Post-eclipse, clarity in personal and professional relationships will help make better choices. Avoid impulsive emotional reactions and give yourself time to process your feelings. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Donate black sesame seeds or mustard oil on Saturdays. Avoid unnecessary arguments with partners and practice patience. Meditation and spiritual practices will help maintain emotional balance. Postpone any kind of major decisions in relation to finance, career, or relationships until after the eclipse. This lunar eclipse will highlight relationship and business challenges, but it also offers a chance for transformation and clarity after emotional turbulence. You are still under Saraswati. Challenges persist, but growth is possible. Be cautious in relationships and partnerships and avoid impulsive decisions. Financial matters need careful handling, so avoid any kind of risky investments. Career stability will take time, but post-eclipse clarity will help. Focus on self-growth, meditation, and patience during this period. Aquarians, stay patient as this phase is temporary. Post-eclipse, things will start improving. And that's all for today's video. I hope this gave you some clarity on how the lunar eclipse of March 14, 2025 might affect your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Take care of yourself, stay positive, and as always, keep following the paths written in the stars. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.